Hello guys, today we are going to learn when to use commas. Commas are very important in our writing. Miss, it's so annoying. Why are you gonna teach us that? Yeah, whatever. If you don't use commas where they belong, this could happen. I like cooking my dogs and my family. Creepy! That's very different from I like cooking my dogs and my family. Today I will tell you 7 rules to know when to write a comma. Number 1. Always use commas to separate items in a series or list. For example, I read a book, went to the park, and ate pizza yesterday. Number 2. Use commas to separate 2 or more adjectives. For example, that kid is smart, kind, and cool. Don't use commas if you only are going to use 2 adjectives and you're going to write and in the middle. For example, that kid is kind and cool. There, you don't need to use a comma. Number 3, use a comma before and after an appositive. What's an appositive? An appositive is a noun that renames or gives you more information about another noun. For example, my little brother, Johnny, is so annoying. Here we refer that Johnny is my little brother. So we're giving more information about one noun. Another example is Miss Jo, the 5th grade teacher, does the best videos ever. Number 4. Use commas when a sentence begins with an introductory word or phrase. For example, yes, I'm fine. Or, therefore, you must study for the test. Number 5. Use a comma when addressing someone. For example, Dua Lipa, can you tell me the name of that song? Or, I hope you can give me an autograph, Justin Bieber. Number 6. Use a comma before and after a word used to interrupt a sentence. For example, handwriting. On the other hand, it's my favorite activity. Or, pizza, however, it's delicious. Number 7. Take in consideration the fanboys. The fanboys are conjunctions. They are small, and they are words that connect clauses and phrases. Fanboy. F for A and nor. B but O or. Y yet. S so. The most of the time you will use commas before a family. So remember to use the commas where they belong. Remember, it's not the same. I like cooking my dog and my family. Then I like cooking my dog and my family. So don't be a psycho and use commas.